I have the newly released Air Travel Pack 4 that I've been testing for the last week and a half in Panama City and Bocas del Toro. I just returned from this trip and I wanted to share my thoughts on this update and do some comparisons to the previous model. Air fixed a lot of the problems that I had with the version 3 of this bag, and while this does look a little bit like a larger City Pack Pro, I think they did a really good job with this update. The major highlights are cutting out some weight, slimming down the profile, changing up the front admin panel. I have the Travel Pack 4 here in the Cordura fabric in the larger 35-liter size. I also have version 3 X-Pack fabric in the 28-liter size and the City Pack Pro to show you some side-by-side comparisons. One of my issues with the TP3 was the weight. Even empty, this bag felt a little bit heavy. They managed to remove some pockets and slim down the bag style design a little bit, only cutting off 0.24 pounds. However, bringing the total weight now below 4 pounds, which is a noticeable improvement. You can see a comparison between the version 3 here. It had a different style water bottle design, side compression straps, updated over here, and they removed the compression straps in the new version. Probably one of the most controversial updates here, as those compression straps help squish the bag down, make it more compact, and also even kind of squished it down so you could double this bag as a day pack. Add that to the other aesthetic updates on the outside of the pack, change in position on the side top carry handles, slightly more tapered on the bottom of the bag. And I think the new update here just looks a much better, much nicer, sleeker design. Water bottle pocket, I think this is a huge improvement down here with this huge stretchy pocket. The old version, this was just kind of small, zippered, couldn't really fit a lot of stuff in here. Probably looked a little bit nicer because it lays flat on the bag, but I think it's really difficult to argue that this new pocket isn't just way more useful. I also like having two of these pockets. You can just fit a lot more gear in the outside of these packs. Umbrellas, water bottles, sandals, wet gear. I put my umbrella in one side and a water bottle in the other side, clipped to this little clip up here to keep it from falling out or moving around. The front admin pocket, also a much improved design. The older version, the zipper went way down, almost to the bottom. This thing folded out, large, flat opening. Not a lot of space, but a lot of smaller pockets for small gear organization. The updated version cut the length of the zipper. It's just a small pocket now. The volume only goes down to here, so you're not competing with space in this other slim front pocket. Also feels much larger. Fit a lot more gear in here. This thing has a lot more volume, not flat, so I think it's just a lot more usable. For example, the old version, anything larger that you put in here is just going to fall down to the bottom, basically doubling up with space in this other front zipper. Anything smaller had to be really slim to fit in this top area, or you just lose it down to the bottom. This new update, I'm basically just able to use this as like a big dump pocket for all these kind of weird electronics, nano bag, clothesline things that don't really fit anywhere. You can just stuff them in this large pocket. A lot of great organization and just really easy to use. And to show you what that looks like side by side with the City Pack Pro, basically they're mimicking the same kind of top admin style design. A little bit different. The travel pack has an extra kind of tablet sleeve, a little bit more organization, a little pocket over here, but essentially it's the same style. A lot of other almost identical design elements here, same kind of front pocket, handle, tapered design on the bottom front of the bag. Kind of the biggest difference with these two packs, water bottle pocket, the City Pack Pro, it's the same Cordura, just a little stretchy thing here in the back, a little bit smaller, whereas the Air Travel Pack, much larger and completely stretchy mesh design. As far as the carry system go, this is the updated bag. Pretty much looks identical, shoulder straps, top load adjuster, sternum strap, style and design, basically identical to the previous TP3 version, which I think is fine because they do a really great job with the carry system, so really no need to make any changes here. Really the only update I see is the orientation on the luggage pass-through sleeve. Old version, the strap goes in the vertical position, meaning it's going to go over your luggage in horizontal orientation. They switched it over here. It's now horizontal, meaning your bag is going to fit on the luggage in the vertical position. And just to show you the difference in the carry system between the new Travel Pack 4 and the City Pack Pro 2 here. Straps a little bit wider over here. You have a lot of adjustability differences. These don't have the top load adjusters or the luggage pass-through sleeve or the optional fabric loops here in the bottom for attaching a hip belt. Another small minor adjustment here in the hardware. The older version had these kind of harder plastic zipper pulls. They kind of bang, kind of make clacky noises, jangle around when you're carrying the bag. Not a super big deal. The CityPack Pro 2 and the new bag use these Hypalon. Kind of feels like a thick rubber zipper pull. A little bit nicer and doesn't kind of make that jangling noise. Small update in the carry handles. Old version kind of just slapped here in the middle. They kind of stick out a little bit from the bag. They're functionally good, don't look bad, but I think the new version, they look much better. Kind of set a little bit towards the back of the bag. A little bit flatter, much slimmer profile. I think this looks much nicer. As far as my personal experience with this new update, I used it on a trip to Panama City, flying carry-on only on United, flying out of San Francisco. It worked great, it fit in all the overheads fine, but it's not quite small enough to be an under-the-seat bag. I supplemented the larger bag with this small pack sling. I use this as the flight bag on airplanes or as a small sling day pack. We also flew to Bocas del Toro from Panama City on Air Panama. They have much stricter weight limits because it's a smaller plane, limited to just 6 kilograms, which is a little bit over 13 pounds. Even after taking out all my heavy electronics and carrying that in my sling, I was still a little bit overweight, so I had to check this bag. However, everything pretty much goes in the same airplane, so really not a big deal. As far as what I carried with me, I kept it pretty light on the clothes, but a little bit heavier on the camera gear and electronics. I managed to fit all my clothes for the trip in this one medium peak design packing cube. The main compartment, because we're going to Panama, I also carried a snorkel and a snorkel mask, as well as my toiletry kit and a Matador travel towel. A lot of these smaller, kind of oddly shaped, bulky items I put in that top front pocket that I showed you, nano bag, clotheslines, some games, little sound machine, this Matador travel pillow that I've been trying that I like. But for electronics, I had a couple of DJI cameras. This is the Pocket Cam tripod, Action Cam, Anchor battery pack, the Minix portable charger, a couple of cords, and the Soundcore sleep buds. And I didn't show you, but there are a few more pockets here on the inside. So kind of just a little smaller, slim items I had, kind of just tuck those any kind of random little places. Also, front pocket, it's slim. This works great for sandals, zero sandals. Keeps them separated from your gear so they don't get wet and you don't need to carry an extra dry bag. So that's all I have for this update on the Air Travel Pack 4 and the Cordura fabric. This is the 35-liter version. Let me know if you have any comments or questions about Panama or our trip, or about this bag, any of the other bags that I have. Let me know in the comments. Again, thanks for watching.